Hello everyone, welcome to Jamso Art Class. Today we will be drawing Durga Maa's face. You know, Durga Puja is one of the most famous and significant festivals for Hindus. This festival symbolizes Goddess Durga who killed Mahishasura, symbolizing the victory over evil. Goddess Durga is worshipped for 3 days, and on the fourth day we immerse her in the river. So we have to make eyes like this. Now fill up the color, black eyes. You can say eyeliner, looks like catty eyes. Eyebrow, another one. Black eyebrows. Now bindi, symbol of power. You can say women power. Now we will be drawing nose. Now mouth, line, so this is the method to make lips. Now nose ring, a circle. You can make some designs over it. You can fill up with design like this. Kajal. Ta-da! So we made our Durga Maa. Okay guys, and we'll see you in the next session. So keep watching Jamso Art Class. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. See you. Bye bye.